Is Forex trading legal? All right, guys, what's going on? This is Eddie Harvey coming to you from TradeWithEd.com. So let's get right into it, guys. Real quick, before I do, stay to the end of this video. I definitely got something for you that will help you if you're getting started in your trading journey. I'm sure it would definitely, for sure, help you out. All right, so let's talk about this, man. Is Forex trading legal? The answer to that question is 100% yes, guys. So if you've been curious about Forex, you've been thinking maybe you just got started trading and you're wondering, man, I've been hearing people talk about scam this, scam that. Is it legal? Is it something that I should be getting involved with? Listen, anything you're doing, guys, has risk involved with it. And there is risk when Forex trading is on the table. The risk comes into the fact that, yes, you can make money, but you can also lose money. That's a natural part of it, guys, but is knowing what you are doing when you're getting in the markets, what type of, having a set strategy, having trading rules to follow, all of those things have an impact on making sure that you are successful or helping you to be successful when you're trading. But here's something, guys, I just want to solidify to help you understand that Forex trading is real. There are 5 major market participants in the foreign exchange market. So what I want to do is give you a little info on them, and this should definitely help you feel more confident when you're entering the markets. All right, so let's talk about it. Number one, guys, the biggest players, they call them the market makers. The biggest players in the Forex market, guys, to let you know Forex is real, guys, is the commercial banks, okay? And it's a very good chance that you bank with one of these institutions, depending on where you live, all right? The top 10 traders in the world are banks. And guess what? Of those banks, guys, 2 banks are here I'm in the United States, and others are different countries around the globe. But number 1 on that list, guys, is JP Morgan Chase, and I believe 7 or 8 is US Bank. No, that's not right, not US Bank. It's Bank of America. There we go. Bank of America, guys. They're like number 8 on the list. So they are 2 of the top 10 major market participants. Other banks are banks in Europe, Australia, and different places. Okay, so they are the market makers. They're the ones who make the market move. They control the majority of the market when it comes to Forex. And you're talking about almost a $7 trillion per day industry. Okay, so they are number 1, guys. Number 2, guys, are the central banks. Now, the commercial banks work hand in hand with the central banks, right? These are the banking institutions, guys. It is what it is. So when you look at the commercial banks, guys, they hold a very large reserve of their domestic currency, right? So every city here in the United States has a central bank, and they hold a significant portion of the domestic currency being the US dollar, but they also hold currency from their trading partners. And when we're asleep, depending on wherever you are in the world, when your economy is open and moving, right? Like when the banks are open, when the banks before they open, they're trading our currencies. That's what it is. It comes down to they're trading our money. The money we put in our bank, they go out there, trade it, they go make their billions of dollars, and they put it back. So that's the reality of it, guys. So those right there alone, listen, if Forex was not legit, the banks wouldn't be participating in Forex. Not to mention, guys, Forex has been around for over 500 years. Every major economy, every major country, even it doesn't matter if the United States dollar, the South African rand, right? The Great Britain pound, all of these different currencies, you can trade all of these. The Mexican peso, you can trade them on the foreign exchange market. If a country has an economy, right, their currency is on the foreign exchange market, okay? So just a quick interlude before I give you the other 3. You've probably participated in Forex too. Let's keep it real. Like if you've traveled, you've participated in Forex because you went to another country, right? And you have to trade in your currency for that country's currency in order to buy goods, stay there, eat, whatever it may be, conduct business. You have to utilize that country's currency. Okay. And then here in the United States, I know in Chicago specifically, we have a place called a currency exchange. Currency exchange meaning you can go there, right, and do a lot of domestic things, but you can also exchange currencies, okay? In every airport, walk through a major international airport, guys, walk through it, you will see a currency exchange where even before you go to that country, you can exchange your currency for that country's currency. Hence, where are they getting this from? The commercial banks. And we talked about the central banks who hold not only domestic currency, but they also hold what? International currency, guys. So you see us all tying in, okay? So Forex, 100% legit. All right, so I gave you a little more Forex. Let's get back to the tips. All right, I mean to the five different market participants, guys. Number three on the Forex market is MNCs, multinational companies. These are companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, Samsung, all of these different companies, guys. They are in the market themselves. Why are they out in the market exchanging, guys? No one's money, right? And number two, they have multinational companies, meaning they have corporations all throughout the world. Coca-Cola, obviously founded here in the United States, right? They have a headquarters where, in let's say London, okay? So what happens? People buying Coca-Cola in London. When I was in London in February, you got McDonald's, Coca-Cola, all of that is there, right? They're international companies, multinational companies. So all of the currency that they make in the, let's say the Great Britain pound, that currency, that money, right, gets transferred back and exchange back into US dollars when it comes back here to the United States. Okay, so you're talking about they're in the markets as well. So they're the third players. Number four, guys, you're talking about your fund companies. You're talking about hedge funds. You're talking about the Forex brokers. So yes, your brokers are out there trading in the markets. You got to understand this. They're in the market to make money, guys. They are in the market to make money themselves, okay? So when you look at whatever broker you're with, all of these different big brokers out here, they are participating in the markets as well. Brokers and hedge funds, that's number four. And number five, the final participants in the market, guys, are us, the everyday individual. You're talking about, you got your small businesses and independent traders like ourselves, guys, the everyday person. We are what's called retail traders. So if you ever hear somebody say, stop trading like retail traders and trade like the banks trade, that comes down to having a specific strategy. And you're saying you want to trade like the banks trade because the banks are the ones who control the market and they cause the market to move and shake. Okay, so when you hear news coming out, different things, that's based off of what's happening with the banks, right? All of these things, they make the market move in different ways, whether it has is going to be going up into a buy or sell, whatever. If it's going sideways, all of those things play a part. So we are the last ones. And please understand that, yes, we are the fifth component of that, but there are a lot of us out there in the markets and we're all out there. Even though we're the smallest players, we can still get a major piece of the foreign exchange pie. Understanding $7 trillion per day is on the table for you to take advantage of in a foreign exchange market. It's all about, like I said, guys, having a right foundational structure, having a right mindset, okay, and having a right strategy to plug into to help you as you go along your trading journey. So if you have been considering trading Forex, if you are trading Forex, guys, understand that it is real, man. Get yourselves out there, and it comes down to putting yourself in position, guys, to learn the skill set. Now, listen, really quick before I go, I actually have a group here. I have a group on Facebook, guys, where you can get an inside look at the platform that I'm a part of, that I've been utilizing to learn how to trade. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. But what I want to give you guys, more importantly, guys, understanding with trading, the most important thing is your mindset. Okay, mindset is the biggest part of Forex trading, guys. And if you don't have the right mindset, these are things that control our emotions. These are things that help us with our entries, when getting in and out of the market, right? Utilizing stop loss, not over leveraging, all of these things. If you want to trade like a pro, you got to have the right foundation. So guys, listen, I actually have a free guide that's going to help you with your developing a proper mindset to trade. If you want to grab that guide, simply go to tradewitheddy.com. Again, it's tradewitheddy.com, or click the link below and you can pick that guide up. All right, so guys, listen, I hope you all got some value from what I shared here today. If you did get value, do me a favor, guys, and hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and feel free to share this out as well, man. And definitely subscribe to my channel to get more on Forex, guys, and other ways for you to be able to create income for yourselves. Dropping some tips, trainings, and techniques to help you guys out. So I appreciate you all again. Go ahead and click the link and grab that guide, and I will talk to you all later on. Take care. Have a great day.